ByteDance, the company that owns TikTok, has just unveiled its latest AI model, OmniHuman. OmniHuman is a video generation model that can transform a single photo into a fully animated, lifelike video with realistic facial expressions and body movements. If you think this is just another animation tool, you might have to think again. From its precise lip sync capabilities to the advanced customization options, I'll show you what makes this technology groundbreaking. On February 5, 2025, ByteDance published an AI model, OmniHuman. The video generation model has made waves in the tech space by producing lifelike videos of people engaging in activities such as talking, gesturing, posing, singing, and even playing instruments, all derived from just a single photo. It's officially named OmniHuman 1, indicating that it's part of a broader initiative with more advanced versions in development. This innovative tool positions ByteDance and TikTok firmly in the competitive arena, where numerous companies are vying to develop the most realistic AI-generated human footage. Not only is OmniHuman unique due to its impressive capabilities, but it also holds implications for the future of digital content creation. As competition heats up among tech giants aiming for supremacy in this space, ByteDance's entry with OmniHuman marks a turning point in the evolution of AI-generated videos. The model isn't available for public use yet, but researchers have released sample videos highlighting its features. These examples showcase various hand and body movements from different angles, along with animated characters, animals, and even historical figures being vividly brought back to life in an engaging way. It'll be interesting to see how this technology evolves and what new features future iterations will bring, especially as creators and consumers seek ever more engaging and lifelike digital experiences. So what are the reasons or features behind OmniHuman's disruption of the AI space? Number 1. The OmniHuman model's technology is a game changer when creating videos. After inputting just a photograph as a reference and an audio file, it'll create realistic facial expressions, achieve flawless lip syncing, and have natural body movements. But it doesn't stop there. You can even take existing videos and adjust them. Yes, you can change how characters move their limbs, which opens up a world of possibilities for editing audiovisual content. What I find particularly fascinating is that OmniHuman isn't limited to just human figures. It can handle other inputs, including cartoons, inanimate objects, animals, and complex poses that often stump traditional video creation tools. This versatility makes it an exciting option for anyone looking to elevate their video projects, whether you're an amateur creator or a seasoned professional. Seriously, the potential here is immense. Number 2. One of the most innovative aspects of OmniHuman that sets it apart is its incredible ability to adjust body proportions and output formats on the fly. This feature gives it flexibility in content creation like never before. Unlike older deepfake technologies that needed a ton of images and hours of processing time, this AI can whip up sequences in mere seconds. It's wild how detailed and polished the results appear compared to previous models. Honestly, I think this could be super helpful for anyone working in media or digital content. Imagine being able to generate high-quality visuals quickly and effortlessly. It opens up so many possibilities for creativity without the usual hassle. I can't help but feel excited about what this means for the future of content generation. Another thing I found super helpful is that OmniHuman supports various aspect ratios. You know how some video generation models can be picky about formats? In contrast, OmniHuman lets you create videos in portrait, or 9:16, or square, 1:1 formats without hassle. It can generate full body, half body, and close-up videos. Whether you want to craft something for social media or experiment with different styles, this tool opens up many possibilities. I genuinely think anyone interested in video creation would find this beneficial. Are you enjoying the video? Then give it a thumbs up. I'd also appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. Also, hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Now let's get back to the video. Number 3. The first videos generated by OmniHuman blew my mind. The level of realism is just astounding. Its most impressive demonstration features none other than Albert Einstein himself, appearing to explain complex equations in front of a blackboard. What struck me was his natural expressions and gestures, perfectly aligned with what he was saying. It felt like I was right there in the room with him, soaking in the brilliance of his mind. In another captivating clip, I watched a digital character perform a song. The way he moved and gestured was so fluid, it was as if he had a life of his own. I couldn't help but notice how he adapted his expressions to match the intensity of the melody, creating an engaging performance that pulled me in completely. It's amazing how this technology allows us to experience these lifelike representations of people and emotions. These videos not only showcase the advancements in AI, but also open up new possibilities for entertainment and education. Imagine learning from historical figures or enjoying live performances from digital avatars that feel real and relatable. It's exciting to think about where this technology might take us next, and I can't wait to see what OmniHuman will come up with in the future. Number 4. Creating OmniHuman was quite the journey. The researchers poured a staggering 19,000 hours of human video recordings into its training, ensuring that every bit of data is utilized efficiently through a multi-condition-based approach. It implies they weren't just throwing data around. They were smart about its usage, minimizing waste and maximizing learning opportunities. Another reason why I'm excited about this tool is its multimodal architecture. This design allows OmniHuman to process and integrate images, audio, body poses, and text. The result? It generates real-time videos that flow with a level of fluidity we've never seen before. This innovative tool allows creators to generate entirely new digital personas without copying a real person's face. Just think about the possibilities. We're on the brink of seeing unique forms of entertainment emerge, from digital influencers who can engage audiences online to film productions that don't rely on human actors. It's an exciting time for creativity and storytelling. ByteDance's researchers claim that OmniHuman is a game changer in video generation, outperforming existing methods by a significant margin. I believe this advancement positions the company as a leader in artificial intelligence for audiovisual content. Number 5. Animating hands is quite the conundrum for artificial intelligence, isn't it? Video and image generation models often struggle when rendering hands and fingers. You'd think something so integral to human expression would be straightforward, but instead, we frequently end up with bizarre glitches, like extra fingers or odd distortions. It's almost funny at times. However, I've noticed that OmniHuman seems to tackle this challenge pretty effectively. It stands out in generating more realistic hand movements and forms. What's even cooler is that OmniHuman doesn't just stop at hands. It also manages to depict scenarios where humans hold objects convincingly. This ability is crucial for video generation because it adds depth and believability to the scenes. I love seeing how advancements in AI can improve these small but significant details, making animations feel more lifelike. And number 6. Another interesting reason is that ByteDance's researchers used an innovative approach during the training of the OmniHuman model. It uses the multiple conditions training, which means it supports audio driving, the ability to make the video consistent with a given audio, and video driving, meaning it can mimic specific video actions. Traditional video models often throw out valuable data during their filtering processes. They tend to focus solely on predefined elements. Speech models ignore interesting body movements or expressions in the video that don't neatly align with their audio-driven focus. Meanwhile, pose-conditioned models emphasize only full-body poses. This rigidity can lead to a loss of richness in the generated content. In contrast, OmniHuman takes a more holistic approach by integrating 3 distinct conditions: text, audio, and poses. This combination allows the model to capture a broader range of information, resulting in accurate and realistic videos. Multifaceted training creates a more immersive viewing experience, giving us videos that reflect the complexity of human expression and interaction. Now, you might be wondering, what are the use cases of OmniHuman? The potential use cases of this technology are exciting, especially for its sibling company TikTok. I believe TikTok will soon integrate OmniHuman as a feature. Imagine having OmniHuman as a feature that allows users to create and engage with desired figures, or even create compelling marketing campaigns with lifelike characters. It could revolutionize advertising by making it more interactive and personalized. Plus, think about the democratization of film creation. Anyone could tell their story and bring their ideas to life, regardless of their background, technical skills, budget, or equipment. And let's not forget the entertainment aspect. We could see our favorite historical icons come back to life in innovative ways, making learning fun and engaging. Besides, Hollywood could use this technology to revive deceased actors for new film roles. The possibilities are endless. And there you have it. OmniHuman is a game changer in AI-generated videos, transforming a single photo into stunning, lifelike sequences. As we move forward, it's clear that artificial intelligence will play a pivotal role in how we create and consume digital content. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next one.